Hello, friends. This is Irmila, and what does our tarot have to say to us today? I have taken out a card today which says Knight of Cups. Now, this card says that there is a person who would be, a messenger like person who would be delivering a good news to you today. So, you would be getting some very good news today, which will help you in the situation that you are, or, some situation that you are not getting an answer for. So there will be a person who will deliver some good news to you today. And if you are concerned about any situation right now, you need to follow your intuitions, friends, because this card connects to our heart. It's a card which connects to the heart. So follow your intuition in any situation that you are worried about. Don't get don't be fearful, because if you follow your intuition, you will definitely get a solution to this. It also says, this card also says, if you are shouldering a lot of responsibilities, do not worry, you are coping very well with it. So don't worry about the responsibilities that you are shouldering. If you are shouldering any responsibilities, and if you are feeling that there is a lot of burden on you, do not worry about it, because you are doing remarkably well. Now this card also says that ensure your boundaries, and ensure your boundaries, what exactly you want to do. Ensure your boundaries, and where you want them to be in this situation, or what exactly you want to do in this situation. You need to ensure your boundaries. Do not let somebody else control you, or your decision or your opinion. So this is what the card says. You need to ensure your boundaries in this situation that you are, and you need to control your own opinion or decision. Do not let another person do the controlling of your decision, or do not think that, okay, under any pressure, do not say yes to something which you don't want to. So yes, understand your boundaries. Ensure that whatever decisions you are taking your own decision, not a decision which others are controlling your thoughts for. Right now, I have also taken out a angel guidance card for us. It's a very lovely card from the Angel Dreams Oracle cards. It says nettle. Now, friends, nettle, if you read here on the card also, it's written boundaries and caution. So this only means that, this also says, the angels are also saying to you that you need to ensure your boundaries. You need to understand that maintain your boundaries. Do not, in the situation that you are, do not take hasty decisions, and be cautious about who you are listening to, and what decisions you are taking. So yes, even the archangel says that Archangel Michael and Raphael are there to help you. Archangel Haniel also you can call to help you in this situation, if you do not know what to decide, what decision to take. Please call upon Archangel Raphael, Michael, and Haniel. They will all help you. So yes, be cautious. Your boundaries should be right, and your decisions that you are taking should be yours, not under pressure of somebody else. So this is our card for today. Stay with these two cards. The card that says nettle, which is a card from the angel deck, and Knight of Cups, which says that you need to ensure your boundaries, be cautious, do not take somebody else's decisions. Your opinions are important for the situation that you are dealing with. Deal with situations with your intuition. Where your intuition is strong, go with that decision. So these two cards are the cards for the day. Have a nice day, friends. Meditate over these cards and see to it that you are safe, happy, and take care of yourselves.